Learn to communicate telepathically with high-frequency beings from higher dimensions outside planet Earth. Oribel has been teaching this form of communication for more than a decade. Receive her expert guidance in communicating, channeling, and receiving downloads from our galactic family. You'll get to have a Q&A with star beings. Experience their energies and receive guidance for your evolution. Learn to remotely view their spacecraft, the shape, the interior, the crew members, and discover their purpose. Bonus. Oribel will guide you to see one of your past life on another planet. All these, and more. The lessons are available as a private tutorial online, and in-person group event in Singapore. Check out the details at the link below. Our galactic family are excited to connect and communicate with you during this great shift. And we are glad to be of service in this way.